Hello, this is Geoff with In-Depth Studies. Today we're going to look at Romans chapter 4, verses 6 through 8. And here the context is in this section of Romans from 3:21 through the end of 5. The subject matter is justification. That is, what must be done for us to be accepted by God. So he says this. David says the same thing when he speaks of the blessedness of the one to whom God credits righteousness apart from works. Quote, "Blessed are those whose transgressions are forgiven. Blessed is the one whose sin the Lord will never count against them." So what is the Apostle Paul saying? Paul says that if you get your sins forgiven by the death of Jesus on the cross, then you will achieve the righteousness of God. And by righteousness of God, he's referring to the perfection that you have achieved by having all of your sins paid for. And this is all that you need in order to be accepted by God. So the idea is that if you get your sins forgiven, your record is now clean, and that clean record is the identical record you would have if you obeyed perfectly. But your clean record only comes through having Jesus pay for your sins once and for all by his death on the cross. So, if you get your sins forgiven, your record is clean, you are by definition then righteous. And if you are righteous, then you have achieved the righteousness of God. You are unconditionally accepted by the Father for all eternity. And the basis of this acceptance is solely the payment for sin by the death of Jesus on the cross. So the righteousness of God is that perfection that you and I must share. We must share that perfection with God, have that status, or else he will not accept us. And the way we get it is through embracing, through saving faith, the work of Jesus on the cross. Thank you so much. If you want to hear more of Geoff's thoughts, just go to youtube.com, and there they all are. You can subscribe, and hopefully this will be helpful for you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.